Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Manglam, and in this video I am going to discuss about the multiple hiring opportunities from SCL Tech, Genpact, JP Morgan and Swiggy. Okay, so these are the four hiring opportunity, very important hiring opportunity I am going to discuss about. Some opportunity for experienced candidate and some opportunity for freshers. Okay, so first opportunity we are going to discuss about that is from the SCL Tech. Okay, so HCL Tech job opportunity batch 23 and 24. This is especially for two batches, that is 23 and 24. As a graduate trainee you are going to apply. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria. So you can see before filling up the form, UG degree like BCom or BCom honors or BBA. Okay, this is especially for non-technical graduates, because non-technical graduates are not actually finding the job opportunities anywhere. Like some YouTube channels also not providing the opportunity, but this channel, Line with Mangalam channel, definitely will provide the technical as well as non-technical opportunities and also government opportunities in IT domain. Okay, so guys, you all guys subscribe to our channel and like this video definitely. And designation here we are continuing this one. So graduation year you can see 23 and 24 pass out. Designation offered as a graduate trainee financial shared services, graduate trainee HR services. Okay, so this is the exact designation you will get. Okay, CTC, what is the CTC criteria? So CTC offered as per the standards of the SCL Tech. So basically CTC will be discussing during the interview process or an HR round. Basis 60% above percentage eligibility criteria, that is a percentage criteria that you should have 60% in your academic, and service level agreement 12 months as applicable. In case you will leave before completion of 12 months, you need to pay 50K to the organization. Okay, so 50 like यहाँ पे like basically 12 months is not a that big service agreement, that is normal service agreement, so you can simply apply in that one. So what you have to do, you have to fill this application form. After that you can submit your application. Okay, you have to click here submit, then your application will be submit. So you can apply in SCR. Now we are going to discuss about the next hiring opportunity, that is from the Genpact. Genpact currently hiring for lead consultant, that is API automation, ETL, database, Python and Java. So multiple skill set required for this hiring opportunity. You can see automation, ETL, database, Python and Java mostly. So the lead consultant you are going to apply for this hiring opportunity. So what is the minimum qualification requirement for this hiring opportunity? Bachelor's graduation equivalent with equivalent experience in information technology with expertise in test automation, backend application development. Guys, if your knowledge in backend of like development as well as automation, then you are definitely right candidate to apply here. And hands-on experience of virtualization services of test automation, Scrum and Agile frameworks knowledge you should have. Oops concept knowledge you should have. In scripting language like Java, Python and JavaScript knowledge you should have. Okay, so these are the some skill criteria and experience level. If you have, then you can definitely apply. This is totally skill and experience based opportunity. If you have relevant skills or relevant experience, then you are going to apply in this. You are eligible to apply in this hiring opportunity. Okay, so you can definitely apply in Genpact also. Next, we are going to discuss about the full fresher hiring opportunity, that is from JP Morgan Chase. They are hiring for data operation analyst. Okay, and this is for Bangalore location. And here, what is the criteria? Job schedule. This is full time opportunity. Job shift night shift will be there. And locations you can see this is for Bangalore, and exact address also you can see. As a data operation you are going to apply. So what is the required qualification, capabilities and skills for this hiring opportunity? You should have strong customer facing relationship management experience in similar area, or executive communication skills. You should have verbal and written communication skills, because that is not pure technical job role. This is kind of like technical or non-technical operation job role. So basically you have to work in documentation or MS Office. So basically relevant skill set, project management skills you should have, problem solving skills you should have. So basically normal skills if you have, then you can apply as a data operation analyst. You will be working as a data in data field, so you can apply definitely. Okay, next, I am going to discuss about the hiring opportunity from Swiggy. Swiggy currently hiring for software development engineer and test. Okay, so basically this is the SDE opportunity, SDET basically we can call SDET, and experience required for this hiring opportunity, that is 1 to 4 years. If you have 1 year experience also in internship, whatever you have relevant field, then you are eligible to apply. It doesn't mean that internship also not included. If you have 1 year experience in any internship, you can definitely apply. software development engineer, and remotely. First they will provide to you as a work from home. After that your work location will be Bangalore only. Okay, year of experience we have already discussed, should have hands-on experience in Java test automation. So basically I got so many messages for Java developers. So whatever the students they are looking for, who are looking for the Java developers job role, they can definitely try in this one, because this is especially for Java. Okay, other also can try, like maybe an HTTP clients also you can apply, RESTful API, JSON, the full technical skill set, full-fledged technical opportunities there. And Oracle, MySQL database knowledge you should have, API automation knowledge you should have. So these are the basic skill set requirement for this hiring opportunity. Because as a SD you are going to apply, then these skill set you should have at least. Okay, so you can apply in this hiring opportunity. Now we are going to discuss about the P team hiring, that is for data analyst. And for data analyst also, in market there are so many students who are looking for data analyst job role. Okay, so and company is very good, you know, all know, like Paytm. So Paytm is hiring for data analyst. And what are the requirement for this hiring opportunity? Bachelor's degree in computer science is that's mathematics related field, master degree also preferred. And if you have proficiency in SQL, BigQuery, or data extraction and data manipulation, then you are eligible to apply. Basically what are the relevant skills that you should have, because they are hiring for especially data analyst. So you should have relevant skill set. Like for data analyst, what are the requirement? Like Python you should have, and data related data manipulation, Tableau, Power BI. If you have, then you are eligible to apply. This is full data analyst hiring opportunity. Okay. Next hiring opportunity from Cornerstone. They are hiring for associate software engineer. Associate software engineer. This is for Hyderabad location. What are the requirement? Like Ruby, Rails, JavaScript, jQuery knowledge. So as an associate software engineer, what are the skill set, technical skill set requirement? You can apply as a fresher. Okay, as a fresher in this you can apply. So guys, I have discussed about the 5 to 6 hiring opportunity, that is for technical as well as non-technical, fresher as well as for experienced candidate. I hope you like this video, and upcoming videos I am going to discuss about the latest government as well as IT and non-IT jobs also. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.